Today's project, I'll be making this rows of crows 3D print conductive for electroforming. Since the print is already black, it's a bit tricky. You can barely see the conductive paint as I apply it. That makes it harder to tell which areas are fully covered, and which ones might need another pass. I take my time going over the entire piece, making sure to hit all the details, especially around the petals and the crows where it's easy to miss small spots. Even though it's hard to see, getting full coverage is super important, because any area that isn't conductive won't plate later on. I'll rotate the piece under different lighting angles just to catch any spots I might have missed. It's a bit more challenging than usual, but that's part of the process.